Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a haul from, I went to Burlington, I went to HOMEGOODS, and I also went to, I have my notes. Hey guys, welcome back. You have been with me for a while. I want to thank you for, bearing with me. I've been busy with some things, but now I'm getting back into the groove. So I want to thank you and also let you know that I appreciate you for being a part of the family. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a haul video of some items that I picked up to update my dining room. So if you're interested in seeing what I got for my updated dining room, then stay tuned. First of all, I want to show you guys this home sign that I got. This was in the last video that I did. And if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. I will link it down in the description. And I'm looking over there because my dining room is right there. So I'm kind of just imagining how I'm going to put all these things together. But anyway, I got this beautiful home sign. And this is from Pier 1 Imports. And it was $14.95. But my location was closing and I'm really sad. My location was closing and so it was marked down to like maybe 70%, and I think I got it around $3.99. I got this beautiful centerpiece from HOMEGOODS, and I like it because it's bold, it's black, and it's just beautiful. Black is my favorite color, and I picked this up for, have my notes. My centerpiece was $14.99, and I just like how just different it looks. It looks really, really nice. And yeah, so this is it. I want to show you guys here to see the shape. So this is HOMEGOODS, and on either side of my centerpiece I went and got these beautiful crystal candle holders. You guys, can you see that? I'm gonna give you a close-up. And so I have to clean them with some Windex, but these are very beautiful. Oh, I got it upside down. And there's also another one too that goes with it. My candle holders were $7.99 for the smaller one. And this one was $12.99. So yes, I love these, you guys. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Has a little, opening right there for the candle. And what I'm going to do is just place some white candles. I picked up these from Walmart, and they were pocket 4, by Mainstay for only about $1.97. I'm just going to set my candles on my table like that. I think that's so cute, you guys. And Walmart is really good for picking up candles. I want to show you guys these beautiful, this is acrylic. These are from Amazon. So I just put it around my napkin like that. And let me show you guys a close-up. These are really cute. They were only like, what, $4 to $5 on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll go ahead and link them down so you guys can, pick up a pair. So for my dining room table, I picked up this beautiful, this is silk. This is silk, you guys. This is a runner. Look how beautiful this is. And I couldn't find one to match my, to fit my table because I have a round table. This really goes on like a long rectangular table, but I love this so much, so I actually just bought it. And what I did, I just, tied it at the ends and, just allow it to hang. But just look at this print, you guys. It's so beautiful. I picked this up from Amazon as well. And it goes well. I have a glass table. It will go well with glass or either a black or a white table, so I'm going to link this down as well in the description. I think I paid about maybe $30. I'll make sure. I'll find the link and I'll link it down so you guys can, if you're interested, you can pick one up for yourself. But yeah, just wanted to show you this texture. This is really pretty. I love this, so yeah. This blanket that I got, you guys, I'm going to just lay this on one of my dining room chairs. This just gives it a nice cozy look for the, for the season. But I got this beautiful white blanket. and it's really soft. Hope you guys can see that. I have lighting back here, you guys, so if it's drowning it out, I'm sorry. But I got this from Burlington, and this was $19.99, and it's pretty long too. It's pretty long. And that's that. Oh, you guys, I love a design with pampas grass. I have been looking for pampas grass to go in my dining room. I couldn't find anything, and so one day I went to Pottery Barn to look at some home decor, and I saw these in the staging. You guys, these were not for sale. I saw this on staging, you guys, and I was just like, oh my God, I want those. So I know the lady, you know, because she sees me in there all the time. And I said, hey, you know, I know you guys always change the staging in here. And when you guys are done with this staging and how you guys have it, I want this pampas grass because I know you guys are going to take it down and throw it away. She was like, yes, it's yours. So last week she called, we're changing staging. You want the pampas grass? I'm like, yes, I do. And so I went down there and she gave these to me for free. Now I went to Kirkland's and they have it there, but it was like $29 for like 3. I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna put these in my dining room to give it a little flair. I think it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. And speaking of my dining room, I bought this vase for my dining room as well. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. Look at that. This is so pretty. And it sits tall off the floor. I love the texture that it has here, and it has the gold that also, you know, ties in well with my pampas grass, and it also ties in well with my gold plates that I have, and I really, really like it. Let's do a thumbnail. All right, so that is that, you guys. I got this from Burlington and it was $19.99, and this will be going on my wall. Look at her. She's very, very gorgeous. I love it. And if you guys can see, there's like little jewels on here, little black jewels. Let me just give you guys an up close so you can see. You see those little sparkly jewels? I think that is absolutely gorgeous. And it is canvas. It's very lightweight and easy to hang. So it has like these little clips right here, you guys. So this will be going on my wall. I love that. That's really pretty. All right, I have one more thing to show you guys. These are some beautiful mirrors that I got from Burlington as well. And they were only $9.99 and they came in a set of 3. So look at these. Aren't these pretty? I got these from Burlington, and I got these from Burlington and they were $9.99, and there's 3 of them. So I don't know where I'm going to put these in my dining room. I'm going to find a space for them. If not, I might just use them in my bedroom or something like that. So that's going to be it for my tour. Not my tour. That's going to be it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found some things that you may want to go pick up yourself to, you know, bring some flair to your space. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.